Hello everyone, welcome to Meow Meow's Kitchen. Our video today is gonna show you guys how to make Chinese style Coca-Cola chicken wings. Here is the recipe. You can take a screenshot to keep it. Here is the chicken wings, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, cooking oil, and dark soy sauce. Sorry, once again. Dun dun dun! Here are the main character Coca-Cola. Next, let me introduce more about what's the difference between those sauces. Light soy sauce, 生抽。Dark soy sauce, 老抽。Oyster sauce, 蚝油。You can get all these sauce in Sainsbury's, Tesco, or any Asian supermarket. Then let's prepare the ingredients. First, wash the chicken wings thoroughly, and then patting them dry with the kitchen paper. Prepare the chicken wings by making 2 cuts on the surface in order to better absorb the sauce during cooking. Next, heat up a large pan on medium heat. Put 1 teaspoon of cooking oil into the pan. Add the chicken wings to the pan and stir fry for about 5 minutes until the chicken is slightly browned on all sides. Then add 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce. As you can see, the oyster sauce is very sticky, so it takes me some time to pour it out. Then put 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Because I'm not very professional, so when I am cooking, I always use this spoon. Dun dun dun! Here is the Coca-Cola. You need to pour the Coca-Cola into the pan, and the amount of the Coca-Cola need to be slightly covering the chicken wings. Then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. During this time, you can cook some rice. After that, turn the heat high to make the sauce thicken like this. You must always stir the chicken to prevent the chicken wings from burning. Once the sauce has thickened, turn off the heat and let the chicken wings sit in the sauce for a few minutes to absorb the flavors. Finally, transfer the chicken wings and sauce to serving dishes. You can also garnish with some chopped green onions or sesame. Now the rice is ready as well. Yes, everything is done. Let's enjoy the delicious chicken wings. The taste of Coca-Cola chicken wings is kind of a combination of sweet, savory, and slightly tangy flavors. The Coca-Cola in the sauce adds a subtle sweetness and caramelized undertones to the dish. The soy sauce and other seasonings contribute savory and umami flavors. This is a very delicious dish which can be served with any plain main food. Let's try it. That's it for our video today. I hope you enjoyed watching and found this recipe helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching. See you next time.